Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Today we will going to start unit number 5, the environment, on page number 30. Environment mean mahol. And if we talk about definition, then we have an environment is the surrounding in which an animal or plant live. Environment सराउंडिंग को कहा जाता है, ठीक है, जहाँ प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स रहते हैं, ठीक है. एन एनवायरनमेंट दैट इज कंसिस्ट ऑफ एवरीथिंग दैट अराउंड यू. Environment consists of water, air, and land. It means that other than animals or plants, environment consists of water, air, and land. And it also consists of everything that we see, like trees, plants, flowers, birds, and also people. People like your mother, father, siblings, friends, and neighbors. Animals like pet dogs and cats are also part of your environment. The fishes in the ponds and all are also part of the environment. Trees with birds, butterflies on flowers, green grass on land, and the blue sky above all make the environment. Environment provides everything that organism needs in order to live. The environment provides food, water, shelter, air, and other resources. If conditions in the environment is changed, the organism may not be able to survive. Then we have habitat. What is habitat? Environment included all those things like animals, plants, and human beings. But if we talk about habitat, every living organism has its own habitat. For example, animals have their own habitat, plants have their own, and human beings have their own habitat. A habitat is a place where something lives. Habitat उस जगह को कहा जाता है जहाँ पे कोई चीज़ रहती है, ठीक है, जहाँ पे कोई चीज़ सर्वाइव कर रही होती है उसे हैबिटेट कहा जाता है, ठीक है. Here you can see the picture. Animals live in a habitat. Animals भी habitat में रहते हैं. Like we live on land, so we have got houses. It means that house is our habitat. Similarly, plants and animals are also have their own habitat. Animals live in a habitat. There are different types of habitat in which animals live. You can see the picture here. This is a turtle which is swimming inside the water. This water is his habitat. There are some animals who love to live on the water, who live on the water are called aquatic animals, and for example fish and turtle. And there are some animals who live to love both on the land and environment, for example crocodile, tortoise and frog. And there are some animals who love to live on the trees like monkey, and tree is the habitat of this monkey. And there are many birds who live on the trees, and these trees are their habitat. And some animals who love to live on the land are called terrestrial animals. For example, cow, lion, tiger, dog, etc. These are all terrestrial animals that are live on the land, and this land is their habitat. And if we talk about plants, plants live in a habitat. Plants also have their habitat, and these are also live in a habitat. For example, some plants are live on the plain land. For example, mango, banana, apple, etc. This plain land is their habitat. Some plants are live on the desert. For example, cactus, and this desert plain is the habitat of cactus. And some plants that are live on the mountains. For example, pine tree. These mountains are their habitat. And some plants that live on the ocean habitat. For example, lotus. These are all different types of habitats in which plants live. Like some are live on the plain land like mango, some are live on the desert land habitat, for example cactus, and some are live on the mountain habitat, for example tree, and some plants live on the ocean habitat, for example lotus.